Established in 2008, Foshan TECHWIN Glass Technology Company Limited is specialized in design, researching, manufacturing, and sales of glasses washing machines. TECHWIN has developed washing machines for automotive glass, solar glass, appliance glass, high-end architectural glass, low-E glass, and other type of glass based on different requests from customers. We provide customized service and extremely high-quality glass washing equipment. With the professional service as foundation and customer-oriented, TECHWIN always walk in the front rank in the glass washing industry and offer consummated washing solutions to many glass fabricators. TECHWIN is located in Xuande, Foshan, Guangdong. It owns a team of professional and skillful technicians who are capable of design and assembly washers with excellent performance. TECHWIN puts high standards on every part of the machine. Therefore, we set up our own rubber roller manufacturing workshop, metal processing line, and a machine assembling center for better control quality. In rubber roller manufacturing workshop, we use CNC machinists to process the shaft ends. The shaft ends of the rollers are 3 mm thick seamless steel tubes. With unique welding technique, we solve the problem of easy destruction for the shaft ends. TECHWIN has internal mixer, open roll mill, vulcanizing boiler and rubber sheet press of rubber rollers manufacturing. All the rollers here will have rough and price gradient for the perfect concentricity. For superior machine appearance, TECHWIN has full line of advanced equipment. CNC laser cutting machine, Japan imported CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, and CNC plate shearing machine. First-class production equipment ensures machines, covers, and electrical cabinets are precious and tough. In our assembling center, every washer is installed by experienced and skillful technicians. Before delivery, every machine has been tested strictly so quality and performance can be guaranteed, with continuous pursuit for further development and the spirit of craftsmen. TECHWIN's products win trust and good reputation from customers to meet the market demands. Now, TECHWIN has developed washers with different sizes and functions. Washer dialed by sponge rollers, washer styled by air knives, high-speed and energy-saving washers, disc brush washers. Meanwhile, TECHWIN's washer can work with double edgers, seamers, printing machinists, and cutting machinists in different production lines. In order to bring most benefits and convenience to customers. TECHWIN glass washers. Take a brighter future for you.